Got a special beard mail unboxing.
Right now, Joe, what's up?
Just got back from walking my dog. Ran back the last little bit of the way because I saw the delivery from Curam Nadurtha was here. Gonna get the owner of Curam Nadurtha, Mike, in here to for this live unboxing. Healthy Bearded, J. Cruz. Welcome, welcome. Got a unboxing coming to you for from Curam Nadurtha. Ordered some stuff after I podcasted with Mike earlier this week. Hey, the man himself is in the house.
I looked a lot better last night. I haven't done my hair yet, but
no stress. It's Friday. It's all good.
That
We're here.
pomade that you have in there is going to work.
Oh yeah, yep. So we got 5 people in already. So people feel free to send out an invite if you want to. But got a nice package here. Very, very excited.
Oh, nobody's active.
Huh.
That makes
That's
sense.
it.
Good.
Yeah, I think it said I had 87 people active, but I try not to send like a ton of invites out, just not be annoying. But Casual Friday. Yeah, exactly, Joe. Oh, Trinity Beards, welcome. Waltimist. Hey.
I was gonna put on my hat, but then I just hurried up and joined. I got excited.
No, it doesn't matter. It's all good. It's unboxing time.
How's everyone doing today? Cruz, I see you in here.
Yeah, Bearded Cheesehead, welcome. Wife Brewer, welcome. I always struggle with getting these friggin' envelopes open. I don't know if I need to sharpen this knife or I'm just bad at opening packages, or I don't know what it is.
The trick is to use your teeth.
Fair. Weatherbeard Supply, welcome.
Corey.
Yeah, gonna be I'm podcasting with Corey on Sunday.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's gonna be a good time. I'm excited. Uh-oh. I see goodies.
Yep, there's definitely goodies in there.
Oh, baby. Oh, that's cool. Nice
That
little thank you seal. So you were saying?
I said that cleared customs really quickly.
Yeah, I did. Like I ordered this on Tuesday.
I know.
And it's like,
It's
depressing. Oh,
Friday.
yeah, it's crazy. Fastest US company that I've ordered from so far.
What?
Yep.
It's just, you heard it here first.
There you go. Uh-oh. All right, so first thing, couple of oils, Cinnamon Dream. I got, Bluegrass Bearded in the house. Welcome,
Yeah.
welcome. Uh-oh. And then, oh man, Mike also threw in the Yule Tidings. Let's go.
Yep.
They're the Christmas scent from Curam Nadurtha. Ha.
And
Epic.
because I had one more bottle just laying around, so.
Ha. Well, thank you very much.
I know. No, I mean really, we just made it for you.
That's amazing. I'm excited, and that's the thing I like about with having a bunch of products for a review. It's a lot more interesting.
Yeah, it definitely does make it a lot more fun of an interview. A review.
Yeah, 100%. Yeah.
To look over.
Oh, Irish Cream.
Yep. That's my personal
Yep.
favorites.
Yep. Yeah, I'm excited about the scent profile. I mean, the scent profile of all of these sounds awesome, but especially that one. It smells so good in here. Forbidden Forest.
That's
I also love the green bottles and the labels look really cool. I'm impressed.
Thank you.
Yeah, really cool. What else we got? It's probably just what I ordered. For all your support, we threw in a couple of extra goodies. Hey, there you go. Yep. See, and this is the thing. I love when companies do this. They take the time to handwrite something, like whether it's in like a separate note or on the bottom of an order receipt. Like I love that. That's great.
Yeah.
As you can see behind me there, I've got a whole bunch of letters from different companies, like with stuff that I've gotten. So add that to the wall. All right, what's next? This feels like beard butters. Oh yeah. Nice. Lime and coconut. Hey, let's go. Nice.
We
So I have the entire scent lineup from Curam Nadurtha here. Let's go.
I threw it. We threw in the lime and coconut specifically because you got well, really it blend that blends well with Yule Tidings and
Oh, cool. Yep.
and I mean pretty much anything there. Even Forbidden Forest will blend really well with it.
For sure. Yeah.
Take any of those scents, blend any of them together, and it's going to give you a completely new scent, and it's going to smell really good.
Amazing. And there's the Irish cream.
Yep.
Man, I'm so excited.
Oh,
I've been like hanging out upstairs like all morning, just like waiting for these to arrive. And then like as soon as I leave the house to walk my dog, like I'm halfway through the walk and they're like, "Oh, delivered." So now I'm like, then I proceed to run.
even when I'm expecting something.
Oh, totally. Oh yeah, Cinnamon Dream.
Yep.
Ragnarok Joe, little things like that make all the difference. Facts. Forbidden Forest.
Yep.
All right. And last but certainly not least, let's go. Boom.
Good wizard.
Yeah, there's the organic pomade. Pomade. How do you say it? How do you say that again?
Pomade.
Pomade. Yeah.
Yeah.
And Cinnamon Dream. This would be cool. I've never tried a hair product from a beard company, or traditionally a beard company. You got 8 people.
I mean, you can see what it does for me. I'm not wearing it right
Oh yeah.
now.
No, it makes a difference totally.
Yeah, last night my hair was slicked back like that since like 7 o'clock in the morning, and I
Oh
think
wow. Yep.
11 o'clock at night at that point.
Yep. That's awesome. All right, let's get these open and react to these scents. I'm gonna start off with Forbidden Forest.
Hey Liam, how you doing?
Let's see who we got here. Liam, Bitter Brit, nice. Love the pomade. Yeah. I'm excited to try it. I'm actually running out of my my normal hair stuff that I use from Old Spice, so this would be a good replacement. Excited about that. All right, so this is Forbidden Forest. Oh. Yeah, it's like, yeah, it really does. It's like, yeah, definitely like the foresty, like woodsy type smell. But there's also like a kind of like a mysterious hint to it.
Yep.
Like that's the only way that I can describe it.
It's definitely woody and floral, but like cologne vibes to it.
Yeah, yeah, totally. Oh, that's nice. Wow. Yeah, like so far, we're off to a good start so far.
Oh, I'm excited.
I dig that. That's a cool smell. Cinnamon Dream.
Morning, Shaky.
Oh, yep.
Captain
That's
Step.
nice. Oh, Captain Stash, welcome. Oh, yep. Man. I like it. Yeah, this will be fun because I just finished testing the whole lineup for another company.
Yeah.
And so, and then I started combining like the scents from them, and then so it'll be fun to test out all the different scents for these, and then start pairing different combinations.
Shaky, he's pretty much opening my entire lineup.
Yeah. Yeah, Curam Nadurtha pretty well. Yeah. 4 butters, 4 oils, and pomade. Ooh, big fat beard. Welcome. All right. Irish cream.
My very personal favorites.
Yep. Ooh, yep. Good old coffee smell.
Shaky, and that order has been dropped off at the post office about
Nice.
an hour and a half ago.
I like that. That is nice. Yeah, I don't drink coffee, but I really like the smell of it. It's a nice smell for sure. All right, lime coconut.
Definitely. My
Yep. So I'm also going to be posting this unboxing on YouTube. I think I've told you this, Mike. But for everybody watching, this will be on YouTube. Coffee smell, sign me up now. There you go. Ooh, that's a fun smell.
It is. It's supposed to be fun because 2020 sucked.
Yeah.
That's the joke about the scent profile. I literally
Yep.
saying basically it's inspired by the lack of vacations in 2020. So you can't go.
Yep.
Vacation.
There you go. Oh, that is nice. Wow. Yeah, that's a good smell. All right, let's check out this Yule Tidings.
It's not Christmas anymore, but it can be in your heart.
Oh, 100%. No, I've got a bunch of Christmas oils that I'm still going to be rotating through. From the big 3-in-1 after the live cast. Nice. Yeah, this is really cool packaging. Ridiculously fast shipping. Like, in case anybody doesn't know, I'm in Canada, and it's got here in like 3 days. Which is unheard of. Ooh. Not like a traditional Christmas scent at all, but it's like still reminds me of Christmas. It's like,
yep. It's the I definitely used some Christmas tree type scents in there.
For sure.
You know, peppermint and vanilla and all that good stuff.
Yep. Yeah, I definitely get that for sure.
No.
Man. Yep, I am impressed. Try all those scents. Man, I can't wait to test these. I'm gonna start testing these in beard. I think tonight.
Now that's exciting.
Oh yeah.
Now,
no, honestly, like unboxings are. I love like doing unboxings, but then also like testing out different products is so much fun.
Yeah. I would tell you, reach out to me with anything if you have anything you want to chat about the products or just that period. I'm here for you. And
oh yeah.
We'll definitely chat throughout the entire review process.
Oh, of course. Yep, 100%. Yeah, usually when I'm, especially like when it's a company that I'm like, that I've talked to the owner like a lot recently, like a lot. Yeah, I'm usually when I'm testing the products, I'm usually in contact pretty frequently.
Right. Well, that's awesome. Shaky. For me personally, this morning I'm wearing lime and coconut,
nice
butter, and what oil did I put in this morning? I think it's one that I'm experimenting with. Not
okay.
Now, but one that I'm experimenting with. And that one is really exciting, but that's coming out way later in the year. So
cool. Yeah. Just stay tuned for that.
But if anybody does get the sample pack, there's a brand new scent in there that's not released yet.
Yeah, I saw that.
And I'm very excited about that one.
That's awesome. Do you know when that scent will be out?
I do. I think.
Okay, cool.
So, what I do with my releases, I don't really give people a time of when to be released.
Smart. Yep.
And then I like to surprise people and drop it at a random time.
Yep.
The day that I picked is very strategic, and once everybody sees the name and the day that I choose, I think.
Cool. Yep. Shaky lime coconut and Irish cream is why I got the sampler. You won't be disappointed.
Well, that means a lot, Shaky. Thank you. I hope you find some other ones in there that you enjoy as well.
Yeah, I mean, I like them all so far. Yeah, definitely excited to start testing Feeling Beard and Feeling Hair for the pomade.
I can't wait for that. I'm excited. It looks like for purchases this year, I was Shaky's first one, so that's awesome.
Hey, that's super cool. Yeah, this is. So yeah, let's get him positioned here. Yeah, and then I will be for everybody watching. Stay tuned for some epic product photos coming soon.
I'm excited about that. You were telling me about that. I'm excited to see what photos you come up with. Might be it might be some that I have to steal from you.
100%. Yeah. Yeah. So we got the whole squad there.
That is just so beautiful.
Look at that. It looks so nice. Like, man, because I keep a certain number of products in my bathroom, and then the rest on the shelf, just in my studio. But then, like, with this combination and the other full lineup that I'm testing, like, that's gonna look nice.
it's gonna look even better when those new bottles drop.
Oh, facts. Oh, that reminds me. I gotta later on today, after I podcast with Dave, I'm gonna edit the clip that we're gonna tease people with.
Okay.
When the episode drops, and then sent to you. But I was able to figure out this cool new thing, where so I put your logo, so we wouldn't spoil the oil, and then I was able to figure out how to make the logo move as you move the bottle.
Oh, that's dope.
So it's always hidden. Smell like peaches. Which one, Liam?
No, he was talking about Shaky has a collab with Ferocious.
Oh, cool. That's awesome.
J-O, what's up?
What's up, man? Yeah, like, yeah, Mike, thanks again for the extras and
My pleasure.
for getting this sent out so fast and being on this live with me.
Hey, most
Tons
definitely.
of fun.
That's what I like to do, man. I like to be a positive influence
Yep.
for everybody, and that's what I'm gonna continue to do.
Yeah, totally. Yeah, no, I love to see it. All the different owners that are so like engaged with the community. It's a good time for sure.
My goblin is
Having fun back there. Yeah, no stress. But yeah, so thanks everybody for watching. Again, Mike, thanks for hanging out, chopping it up a little bit. I'll be in contact with you. Yeah, we'll talk.
We will definitely talk, and
Oh yeah.
let's get it.
Yep. Yeah, and stay tuned for podcast episode dropping with Mike on January 18th around, I think, noonish.
Yeah, something.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah, stay tuned for that. We had a almost hour-long conversation, chopped it up about a whole bunch of things. Yeah, sweet. Thanks everybody for watching. Fun times for sure.
Thank you for having me.
Cheers.
Cheers.